this way. Oh my god! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright guys, today I am going to be trying to see which type of slime is best for giant slime bubbles. Yeah. Alright guys, so basically in all my videos I'm always like trying to see if like slimes are good. Like, you know how there's just some slime textures are just better at making bubbles than others, you know? Like for instance, cloud cream really sucks at making bubbles, but like
48 hours later.
like jiggly slime sucks at making bubbles and cloud cream. I don't know, but I just wanted to see which one is the best, which one's the worst, which one is and which one is you know? So yeah. And today's like my challenge to be trying to slime with your nose. We have not done that one in a while and I want to do it again. So yeah, let's go straight on into the video. Yo! Alrighty, so first we're gonna start with some school glue. And the first strategy we're gonna try is the original, an OG. It's gonna be fluffy slime, so we're gonna be putting some shaving cream in it. Just shake it up real quick. Shake, 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 what your mama gave ya. Great thing to do, guys, if you're not very good at mixing the shaving cream and glue, which like me, mix the coloring with your glue first and then add the shaving cream. That way you can tell when it's all mixed because then everything's gonna be blue. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna add some shaving cream now. I think like this is a good amount of shaving cream for a good, nice, fluffy slime. Mix that together. Alrighty, now we're gonna activate it with contact lens solution. You guys can activate slime actually if you put glue, shaving cream, and then you can activate it with contact lens solution, which is pretty cool. It makes some really nice fluffy slime. But you also need to make sure you put enough shaving cream because sometimes you don't. Because then it won't work. I'm sorry, I was a little bit out of it, but if you don't put enough shaving cream, it will not work. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Now I'm activating it with shaving cream. Alright, it seems like it's already good at making bubbles, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate it a little bit more, and then we can go ahead and start making bubbles and seeing how well it is at making bubbles. Alright guys, ignore my hands, they're a bit dirty, but anyways, let's go ahead and test this slime out. It's really nice and fluffy. Let's go ahead and test it out though. Whoa, okay. Did you guys see that? It was so cool, although it kind of went all over the contact lens solution. Let's try that again, and let's try and not have it pop everywhere. Okay, 1 second. Let's get it into a nice ball and be prepared. Oh my god, that is a nice ball. I feel like fluffy slime is gonna win, but I don't know. We don't know. Maybe though, because it seems, do you guys see that? Like, that is beautiful. Okay, let's try again. Whoa, my god, and these ones are really easy to make. Look at how freaking good. Whoa, that was crazy. Okay, I gotta do some more of these bubbles. These bubbles are crazy. We gotta do some life-size bubbles out of these. These are crazy. All right. I hurt myself on the shaving cream. Let's try that again. Oh my god, guys, look at how big that is. Oh, I don't know what to do with it. Just like, jiggly, 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 jiggly. That looks like a butt. Alrighty, guys, I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be the best one. You guys comment down below which one you think, or if you already know which one. Guys, I have an idea. 1 second. Let's try this. You guys see that? You guys see that? Okay, I'm gonna do a magic trick for you guys. I'm gonna make a bubble. Now you see it. Now you don't. Alright guys, so I think this one is pretty good. I don't know if these ones are gonna be able to top it, but we're gonna try anyway. So let's get on to the next one. Alrighty guys, next round. So we gotta get some school glue. We're gonna make it black. I haven't made anything black ever, I think. So I wanna try that. It's probably just gonna turn gray though. Black's a really hard color to get. Alrighty, now we're gonna try out foam soap. So I just really wanted to try out foam soap. I don't know, it seemed interesting, so we're gonna try it. And we're gonna put a lot. This kind of looks like one of those charcoal foaming face washes, you know? It's cool. Whoa, it's kind of like chunking up, like it's activating. I think if I add contact lens solution, it'll activate? Okay, yeah, no, it doesn't activate. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it with actual activator. Okay, here it is. Here's how it turned out. It turned out weird. I may or may not have overactivated it. Okay, I decided I'm gonna add some more glue to it. Alrighty, I think I'm almost done. Definitely got a lot better, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and activate it, and then we can go ahead and make some bubbles. Alright guys, so we have our slime here, our foam soap slime. It actually turned out a lot better than I expected. It seems actually stretchier than like usual, than like in like regular normal slime, you know, without it. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3. Look at that! That actually wasn't that bad, guys. It actually was pretty good. It's just it kind of like exploded and on the way down. So I think we should try again, but we should go slower because it seemed like exploded because it got too, like I did it too fast. So yeah. Oh, that one was really good. It's maybe if I put a little bit more activator so it gets a kind of like a little bit thicker, you know? I feel like it's a bit too runny right now. I'm gonna try again, slower, and then if it doesn't work, I'm gonna add some more activator. Oh, that one's good. Okay, let's try to do some bubbles really quick. You guys see that? Oh, that was a good one. Okay, I'm gonna add some more activator because it seems like it could benefit from a little bit more activator. So we're gonna add it a little bit more. So activator kind of makes it a little bit like thicker. Okay, well that was definitely a lot better. It was definitely a lot more like stable and thicker. So I'm gonna try again, but I feel like we might need a little bit more activator. So we're gonna try that again. I like the slime because it doesn't leave my table at all dirty. Like it's super easy to clean up. All right, let's try this. Whoa! You guys see that? That was an awesome one. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta get more of those, guys. Honestly, I didn't think that anything could beat the Cherry Cream, especially the foam soap, but it actually proved me wrong. I wanted to try it just to see. I didn't think it was gonna really go well, but it actually proved me very wrong. Whoa. This does some really good bubbles. It's not stable enough. It's not thick enough. So I'm gonna add some more activator and we're gonna try again.
A few inches later.
Alrighty, I put more activator. Let's try it again. Oh my god, that was amazing. It's still too thin. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, I wanna do it again. Oh my god, thumbnail. I feel like that was the winner, guys. That was a really big one. All right, I'm gonna try it a different way. I'm gonna try it like flappy way, you know? This way. Oh my god. Wow, guys, that was actually a big surprise. I didn't think the foam soap was gonna do that well. I didn't think it was gonna like change the slime too much, but it actually made it very, very stretchy and like very bubblicious. Whoa! Okay, sorry. That was crazy. Imagine what this could do if we had 2 people going. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I know you say.
Hold on a second. That one, I think the winner is foam soap now. I don't know if the gel is gonna be able to top that off, but we'll check right now. So stay tuned. All right, so let's start off with some school glue. I think I'm gonna try and make a little bit more this time. And we are going to either keep this white or make it yellow. I think we're gonna make it yellow. I would keep it white, but my table's white, so I feel like that wouldn't work very well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add the hair gel. This is the hair gel I'm using. By the way, guys, if you don't, I feel like hair gel is a very uncommon slime ingredient, but I feel like it's so underrated. Like it really makes the slime really nice and glossy and clicky, and also it kind of softens the slime. So if you don't have any lotion, you can use this, and also you can like soften clear slime. It does make it a bit foggy, but I feel like it goes away, and also it's better than adding like lotion to your slime. So yeah. All right, let's mix this. I think that's enough lotion. Yeah, it's pretty watery. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it gets a bit watery, but actually it kind of like thickens up after when you activate it, but like it becomes super glossy and super clicky. So we're gonna go ahead and activate it now. And also, I just learned, I decided to add it into like my clear slime when I make it. You know how clear slime's like super hard to like activate because it's like super thick? Well, if you add a little bit of hair gel, it actually becomes a little bit easier to activate. So I think that was pretty sick. Ooh, do you guys see how glossy this is? This is nice. You see, if you add a little bit less hair gel than I did, I kind of went a little like crazy because I wanted to try and like make it exaggerated, you know? I think it makes it like super glossy. Do you guys see that? It's like banana taffy. It reminds me of banana taffy. Alright, so far it seems pretty good at bubbles. Ooh, oh my god. I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out, how the bubbles are gonna be. Alright guys, here it is. It turned out really, really nice. Honestly, like, I want to keep this slime for me. Like, it's so freaking glossy and like... Alright, let's go ahead and try and make some bubbles. I am excited. I want to see how this will turn out. So let's... Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, that was crazy! It might have been better than the foam soap, guys. Whoa. Okay, let me try that again. I feel like it's a bit too thin, so I might need to add some activator or something. Whoa. I didn't think that it could get better than the foam soap, but I think it is. Let's try this way. That is a fantastic bubble. This bubble, that bubble was fantastic. It was like so beautiful and perfect and smooth. All right, I'm gonna try that again. Oh my God, guys, that is, oh, nope. That is crazy. The only problem with this one, I feel like it's just too thin, so then it just like falls apart really quick, but it makes some really, really nice bubbles. So maybe if we activate it a little bit more, we're gonna activate it really quick. Did I add too much activator? I hope I didn't. All right, let's try this. To mix all the ingredients together because we want the like really nice stretchiness and like glossiness of the hair gel and the really nice bubbles of the foam soap and the really nice thickness of the shaving cream. I feel like combined it might make the ultimate bubble slime. So let me do that. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna add the glue and now we're gonna make it pink. Pink. Oopsie, that was a lot. Well, it's not a lot actually because we're gonna put a bunch of stuff in it. Now we're gonna add some foam soap. I feel like I should add a little bit less than last time because it was a bit sticky and like thin. We're gonna add some shaving cream. I think that's good. And let's mix. The hair gel looks really cool because it's like blends in with the color. All right, let's mix this. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. Alrighty, let's go ahead and activate. Alright guys, I think it's all ready. Let's go ahead and do some bubbles now. Okay guys, let's try this. Big reveal. Whoa! Oh my God, it worked! We combined all the elements and we made the perfect bubble slime! Whoa! It worked, guys. That was crazy. Okay, we gotta do that again. That was crazy. All right, let's try this again. Oh, no, that was not crazy. Oh my God, it almost worked. Whoa, we did it! And this one is cool because it's kind of like a big bubble gum, you know? Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want to do a part 2 to this. And we continue looking for the search of which one is the best one. Like maybe butter slime, or I'll put like lotion, or like fishbowl, even though that's probably not gonna work. But yeah, guys, comment down below. And that is it guys. Thank you so much. And I really hope I see you next time. Bye!